Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, guys. New day. Crypto's looking solid. And we are back for another one, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Wait for some people to pop in here. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Let's see who we get to drop in. I know it's an early one. Hello, hello, hello. The word's finally starting to get out. I think some people are finding us here. I know it's early. But guys, Shiba Inu's pumping. We're up 12% back into the threes. We've got Aptos pumping. Our favorite cryptos are making some moves. ICP's pumping. Pepe's pumping. Jasmy's pumping. We've got some AI cryptos pumping. Fetch AI making moves. Floki's pumping. HBar's pumping. Chainlink's pumping. Finally getting back over 20 bucks. Singularity Net making some moves. Sui, one of our favorite new layer ones, making some moves. Kronos making some moves. So welcome in, everybody. We are going to talk about a lot here in this video. Small caps, large caps, strategies. Are we going to see a pullback? What does that mean? Does it even matter? What are your goals? This sort of stuff. It's very important right now that we talk about the hard subjects, because during these euphoric times when everything is just flying, you've got to make sure you have your plan in place. You've got to make sure you have something to go back on, right? You have something to fall back on. So we're definitely going to get into it, guys. There's so much we got to get into. There's a lot. There's a lot here. A lot here going on. And we're making some new plays too. We're getting into some new cryptos, so we're going to talk about that. Welcome in, everybody. Good morning. We've got Joshua. We've got Learning. We've got 187. We've got YMB. Cheers, everybody. I got my black coffee, Starbucks K-Cup from my Keurig, or what do they call those actually? That's an espresso. And things are looking really good here, okay? Things are looking really strong. We're going to talk about some meme tokens that are making some moves. Of course, we've got a lot, and I mean a lot to dive into here, guys. So welcome in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Zach. Retirement this year for me. John, that's amazing, man. Congratulations. And hey, you'll be doing crypto full time after retirement, right? I assume you'll be doing crypto full time, right? All right, guys, let's take a look at the overall big board here. Overall, let me just kind of talk at you here. Bitcoin's at 70,700, up 5.8% here to start the morning. We are getting into a little bit of a greed zone here on the Fear and Greed Index, if that's something that you watch for or look out for. Ethereum over 3,600, still pretty steady. Solana over 194, basically at 195 bucks right now. XRP's come up a little bit to 65. BNB's been on a nice little tear, up 15% in the last week, sitting just under 600 bucks. We've got Cardano lagging a little bit, but now up 5%. And Shiba Inu, guys, making some noise. Shib making some noise this morning, up 12%. So what's up, Shib Army? Love it. Love to see it. One of the top gainers here this morning, just like Jasmy Coin is. Jasmy Coin, we've been waiting for a little bit of a breakout. Well, we're getting something now. We have a nice little pop-up here on Jasmy. We did, in the last month, we got up to about the 2.6 level for Jasmy. We're at the 2.3 level right now, still up 61% in the last month. We opened up a position at the 13 level. Really liking where Jasmy is right now. Really loving the potential here that Jasmy has with a lot of new things being released. Their new roadmap has been released. I read it. I think it's extremely bullish. I've got to make a full video on it. But Jasmy is looking like it's poised to continue to make some nice runs here. We've got some of the OG, I call them OG meme coins now. Pepe is relatively new, but it's up. And then even the newer ones like Bonk and Dog with Hat are also two cryptos leading the way. So very interesting stuff here. And if we go over, and come back to Jasmy, the roadmap for Jasmy in 2024, they're getting heavily into the most important key areas that I think are going to be very big in this next bull run. If you look at what Jasmy wants to do in this next cycle, and they're going to have an AMA coming up tomorrow, by the way. So make sure you guys follow them on Twitter. Make sure you're locked in there. I'm going to try to make it as well. The Jasmy CFO is supposed to be there, Hara. And then Janction is going to be part of that. Of course, Janction is their DPIN and AI permissionless chain incubated by Jasmy. This is a big part of their roadmap. Janction is a big part of their future. And it's got me excited about Jasmy. I've got a decent sized position now. I'd like to even, make it even bigger. The only thing I didn't like is I thought there was going to be kind of more details with the roadmap. I thought there was going to be kind of more interactivity with the roadmap. It was kind of just vanilla, like kind of black and white. Here, just slap it on there. Here you go. Brett is looking amazing. We're going to get into that. But yeah, Jasmy's roadmap has a lot to do with, discussing the IoT or Internet of Thing device collaboration. Partnerships with a big company is coming at some point in this quarter. Development new function with this company. Demonstration of Internet of Thing data utilization. And then they're looking, obviously, at AI as a big piece of this for the personal data locker. Expanded blockchain PC functionality for AI as well. The Jasmy wallet implementation is coming at some point between pretty much all of this year in different phases for Jasmy. And then, of course, Janction is going to be a big part of this as well, as we mentioned, which we'll be watching for, which is in DPIN and AI permissionless, the permissionless chain there. Then they get into the lockup at some point kind of in April and in May. And then they want to create a carbon credit exchange, which is temporary. And then the launch and the product collaboration at some point later this year. So at some point we'll make a longer video on Jasmy and kind of what their plans are, but did want to kind of highlight that real quick. And they are up today. People excited about kind of what they've got coming. Definitely makes sense to me there as to why Jasmy has been on a nice surge up. Okay. Some of the cryptos we're watching, of course, we're watching a lot of small caps. We're going to get into some of those as well. If you guys would, find the three little dots, hit the like button. I know it's early, but I want this video to get out to the masses. And if you haven't already, guys, subscribe to the channel. I'm here every single day. We're breaking things down. We're learning every single day, and we're finding ways to make money in crypto, literally together every single day, live, raw, in the flesh. That's what we do, okay? So if we take a look at, let's see here. If we take a look at some other narratives, let's jump into the meme coin and the small cap space, because what we're seeing here right now is absolutely incredible. I mean, the gains here are incredible. I just want to be very, very clear and very, very specific in how I say this. You have to have a profit-taking plan. Because as you can see, when things start going up like crazy, you can easily be blinded by the light. Blinded by the light. And at some point, mark my words, at some point, probably more than once, in fact, I can almost guarantee this will happen more than once during this bull cycle. You know what's going to happen? There's going to be a dip in the markets, because there are still dips that happen in bull markets. It's not just dips in bear markets. And at some point, when these dips occur, and nobody knows when they're going to occur, by the way, anybody can look at these charts and they can draw all these lines. And I'm not much of a technical expert when it comes to crypto. I use my trading indicator to give me good indications. But none of these people know, I don't know, you don't know exactly what's going to happen in these markets. You don't know, I don't know, nobody knows exactly how high Bitcoin will go in this cycle. Nobody knows where Bitcoin will top out. Nobody knows how high gaming and metaverse cryptos will go. Nobody knows how high Cardano or XRP or Polkadot will go. They just don't. And this is why you have to have a strict plan for you that makes sense for you. Everybody, with every asset you own, make sure you do this. And if you ape into a meme coin and this thing's going to the moon, don't think it's going to just go to the moon forever. There will be a point where people want to sell and realize their gains. So what I like to do with these early plays, these plays we jump into very early, and they go up like crazy, we get our initial investment plus a little bit on top. We win the trade, and then we go back to the drawing board and create a plan, a new plan from there. First plan is let's win the trade. Let's get our initial plus about 10, 20%. That's usually what I shoot for. And then we say, okay, now we've won the trade. Now we can redesign our new plan for taking profits because we're already a winner here, okay? And there's going to be a sell-off, folks, at some point. Again, I can't tell you when. I'm not panicking. I'm not saying, panic sell everything. I'm not saying that at all. And it really does depend on which crypto you're talking about and what your plan is with that crypto. For instance, Cardano, I'm okay if it goes like this a little bit. I want to see when it gets to $5. That's my exit strategy. Because I know I have a plan. For Bitcoin, for example, it might be 150,000. So you can stomach all of this because Bitcoin hasn't hit 150,000 yet. You see what I'm saying? Whereas if you don't have a plan, you're not going to be able to stomach all of the ups and the downs. You're going to make poor decisions. You'll probably sell too early or sell too late. And it's much harder to have these plans in place, I will say this, with small cap cryptos. Because small cap cryptos are just a completely different beast. A, they're not solidified. They're way more volatile. They're way more risky. They haven't seen full market cycles yet. They're not heavily traded on a daily basis for years and years and years yet, right? It's completely different. So I say all of that to say, yes, the opportunities right now in crypto to make money are insane. But you don't see that money until you realize the gain. So have a plan. I don't care what it is. With every crypto you get into, whether it's meme coins, whether it's small cap AIs, which we love. In our small cap AI portfolio, which I know I still have to make that full video for you guys and give you guys everything in there. Pretty much every single day, because there are probably about 3 or 4 cryptos in that small cap AI portfolio. Every single day I go in there and I just drip about $300 to $500 off 5 cryptos. I literally start my day and make $2,000. And I'm not saying that to say, woe is me, or I'm not saying that to say, look at me. I'm some big bad, trader and you should listen to me. I'm giving you guys an example of what it looks like when you get in early and what it looks like when you have a plan. So every single day when I woke up, before I came on this live stream, I'm up $2,000 today, roughly. I went in and just dripped, because I'm 20, 30x on all of these type of investments. I got in so early and we're reaping the rewards. But you don't reap the rewards until you have a plan, until you realize gains. So I just want to make that abundantly clear as, the markets are going up, everybody feels good. This is the time where sometimes you can get blindsided or you can not understand the other side of the coin. sometimes during these times, you can basically think, oh my gosh, the crypto market's just going to go up from here. And again, I love crypto. I think we are going to go up overall, but you have to really parse things out and understand what you hold, what your plan is for it, how long you want to hold it, etc. So we're going to get into the overall market. Yeah, Brett is looking phenomenal. Somebody mentioned that a little bit ago. Really is looking good. Okay, so what we're going to do here is take a look. We'll just kind of go down the line, guys, at some of the cryptos that we're looking at. And this will be the portion of our stream where we kind of go over the small caps, some of our AI cryptos, our meme coins, what we're doing with these meme coins, etc. Okay. So, and I want to give you, as we go through, I'm going to give you guys what I've done to take profits, or what my plan is to take profits. Okay. Some combination of those sort of things as we kind of go through this. So you guys can get an idea of what I'm doing. That doesn't mean that's what you do, but I'm just giving you guys my thoughts. Okay. PMPY is one of those AI cryptos. I'm smashing it in. I'm loving it. Love that crypto. Love that project, Sully. So I'm definitely in Brett too. I see that up there. Cheers could be at 10 million by the end of the week. Cheers is a meme coin we got in day one too. We're going to get into all of that, ladies and gentlemen. So strap in, get yourself ready, get yourself a cup of coffee. All right. Sit back, relax, strap it down, because it's time to jump into the small cap space. All right. Let's do this, ladies and gentlemen. Real quick before we start, there's 31 likes. There's 350 people here. That ratio is totally out of whack. You need to find the three little dots, smash the like button if you want me to go over about 30 different cryptos right now and what's going on in this small cap space. Let me know by smashing that like button. I'll see it. I'll see the numbers running up. I'll see it. And we're going to dive into it, guys. Happy Tuesday, by the way. Happy Tuesday. All right, let's get into it. Let's get into it, folks. This is crypto number one. This is a meme coin on Base, on Coinbase's layer 2, ladies and gentlemen. This is where Brett was listed. Brett is looking to be the first $1 billion meme coin over on Base. This is a small cap, and I mean just getting started here. It's called Friends, F-R-E-N-Z. Came across this a couple days ago when it launched. The Twitter account is very, very new still, but it looks like they're going to be doing some pretty epic giveaways, like this shill to earn kind of idea. I think this is really intriguing, and if this thing continues to get some legs, this could be interesting. Now, this is definitely risky. It's a small cap play. We called it at around a 600K market cap. This thing did go up to, last night, it went up to almost a $3 million market cap. It dialed back a little bit throughout the night, and it looks like it's trying to pick back up a little bit on the hourly. So it's Friends, F-R-E-N-Z, only 424 holders. Volume looks good, though. This is day 2. So if you zoom out here and you go to the daily, there's our daily. So it is on a little bit of a pullback right now, which, you know, you kind of like to see after this huge green candle yesterday. As long as this volume stays high, I took a look at their website. Their Telegram was popping last night. So Friends token, again, this is on Base, on the Base chain. All right, Bets token. Guys, we told you this was going to potentially pop. And when you're in this space, you got to find narratives. You got to find reasons why things may happen and have conviction in those ideas. This little thing called Bets, B-E-T-Z, we had somebody let us know that they were going to be speaking on Crypto Banter on Rand's channel. Well, they went from about an $800,000 market cap to 2.4 million. Nice little 3X. We made a swing trade on this, and we're already out of it, but I am looking at it as a potential long-term hold. But right now, I'll take my 2.5X, and we made some money on this. We let you guys know 2 days ago on this, by the way. Speaking of Friends, by the way, yesterday we got a huge dip on this. So I bought in at around 600K, and then I bought more down here at like 200K. So I've got a good size position around 400,000. And we've already taken our initial out. It's still only at a 1.7 million. This is our first one we talked about, Friends, FRENZ. Meme coin on base. It's gearing up. Some of the meme coin creators, some of those guys out there that really basically have become like straight meme coin creators, buddies who I know in the space like Jake Gaimin and Your Pop. I'm not sure if Rodney has talked about it, but some of these guys, they're pretty much strictly talking about meme coins now. They're already on Friends as well. They were showing some love, I think, to the community, and that kind of got me excited too, piqued my interest. So we did make a play on that on Friends. We'll see how that plays out. Now this one, it was a listener or it was somebody on this channel who told us about this one. How about Cheers? DiCaprio on Solana. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, that's juicy. That's juicy. We got in there at 700K, just under 700K market cap. When it was first mentioned on our channel, it was around 400K. And this thing has been trending on Sol. It's still trending there as number 10 right there, okay? Still trending, and the chart looks phenomenal. Our initial is out. We've taken 20% gains on this. We're a winner. We're a winner, baby. We're a winner, baby, on this one. And who knows? Now we just hold our moon bag and hopefully go to the frickin' moon with DiCaprio. That one's been solid. Really solid. So we've got Friends, FRENZ on base. We've got Bets, which was just on Ethereum. We've got Cheers. Next one up in terms of the top gainer, and I'm not invested in this one, but I do think it's an interesting play, and I wish I was invested in this one. But it's on Avalanche, and we've got to be paying attention to these other chains, guys. This is the daily chart for Landwolf. It's at a $27 million market cap. Landwolf on AVAX, okay? Look at that reversal that's happening right now. Landwolf on AVAX, $1.7 million in volume. That's good to see. So Landwolf on AVAX making some moves. Could be one that you want to keep on your radar. And as you guys are watching all of this, make sure you're getting into the right crypto. That's why I'm giving you the market caps. And so when you go and look at this, make sure that it's this amount of holders, volume, because there could be fake Landwolf contracts out there. There could be fake Cheers contracts and Friends contracts. You just make sure you're looking at the right cryptos when you're looking at all of this. All right, here we go. Let's keep it moving. Kendu has been really solid. Kendu spiked up yesterday and just did some crazy stuff yesterday. How about this? Kendu, the only reason we aped into this is because Shaitoshi was following the Twitter account when it had 600 followers. We literally aped in here at like a $4 million market cap. We've doubled up. Our initial's out. We're up. We just basically took our initial and let the rest ride. So no matter what, we haven't lost this trade. I want to see this thing keep going. Kendu Inu, it's on Ethereum, guys. Good volume, just under 1 million. Okay. And very interesting here that Shaitoshi had been following them. That's how I found it. And I was like, that's kind of interesting, right? That's kind of crazy. So appreciate everybody popping on here. If you are new, make sure you do subscribe down below. Also, hit the 3 little dots, smash the like button. We don't even have 100 likes, but almost 400 people hanging out with us. Would appreciate if you guys hit the like. It does help get the word out. Anybody know what chart this is? This is Slurf. We did not get in this. This thing has been pumping like crazy. And, man, I wish I would have bought here on the pullback. But Slurf making a reversal, 392 million. It is on Sol. Okay, it's just massive right now. It's massive. But if you're looking for potentially like a 2 to 3x, sometimes looking at these larger market caps isn't a bad idea. Because they're already solidified, they're making noise, etc. Slurf had a lot of things obviously happen with it and circle around it. But it is potentially one for you. All right, let's get back over to our favorite list. Now, this is not a meme coin. We mentioned yesterday that TokenFi was gearing up and potentially getting ready to hit a $100 million market cap. In fact, we said that We said that when it was at an $80 million market cap. The tokenization of real world assets is huge. I made a video yesterday. TokenFi's market cap was at 92 million when I made that video yesterday. Look where we are this morning. $110 million market cap. Guys, this has been one of the best trades I've made all year. Okay, we were day one investors here, and really we got in day one, so it was actually the start of the trade was last year, October 2023. Look at this chart. Now we're going to get a pullback at some point here on TokenFi, but good Lord. I mean, that is just insane, okay? But the tokenization of real world assets, the whole idea is hot. TokenFi is the sister token within the Floki ecosystem. And guys, I'm telling you, do not sleep on Floki and what they're doing. I don't know how many people watched this video yesterday, but I highly encourage you to do it. Floki drops major bombshell, TokenFi $100 million market cap. So, I mean, we called this yesterday. I knew this thing was going to fly over 100 million. The amount of people flowing into assets that are in the tokenization of real world assets area and what Floki has building with their game, this ecosystem is not to be ignored. I'm telling you guys. And I love Shib. I love Dogecoin. I love all meme coins. And so many people will say, well, Zach, you can't talk about Floki. You're a Shiba Inu investor and you're a Shib content creator. Guys, where there's opportunity, where there's money to be made, that's where you'll find me. In this crypto space, I don't shy away from any opportunity. And if I have conviction in something, I am going to block out the noise. I don't want to let other people dictate my decisions. Will I listen to other people, gain insights, gain ideas from them? Make sure that I'm not being blinded or looking at something wrong or whatever, 100%. But at the end of the day, I'm going to make my decision. And my decision on Floki and TokenFi is this. I'm bullish. I'm bullish on Floki at $2.5 billion market cap. I'm still bullish on TokenFi at 100 million. Now, obviously, I've had a strong position. I've been profit taking from TokenFi for the last 4 days. I've been slowly dripping out, $300 to $500 every single day. Every single day. But this ecosystem is for real. It's not just a meme coin ecosystem, okay? Now, we're going to keep it moving. TokenFi, again, not a meme coin, sitting at 22 cents. Looks phenomenal. Looks phenomenal. And full disclosure, TokenFi, we organically talked about them for a really long time. And then they did come to us at some point. We did make a sponsored video for them. Was happy to do that because, hell, I was a day one investor, Hey, Dark, give us the TA. I'm not a TA guy, man. I'm more of a macro investor. I'm more of a, what's the sentiment? I'm more of creating a plan and I swing trade. I use my trading indicator to trade when I trade. And I use my trading indicator to get into long-term plays as well. The trading indicators down below, if you're interested, it's XT Algo. We had another 7 or 8 different people sign up yesterday. It's an amazing tool, and that's really helped me because I'm not a technical person. I'm just not. Look at Aerodome, Baldy. What's up, Lamone? How you doing? I know about Aerodome. Looks really solid. You think TokenFi can go to 2 billion market cap? Listen, man, Pedro, I think 1 billion is definitely in the cards when you consider RWA is huge. Okay, it's a 10x from here. TokenFi was listed with some top players too. Like TokenFi was listed with some top players in some really great articles written in Cointelegraph and CoinDesk, etc. So, yeah. Good morning, Zach. Great Green Tuesday. Have you ever checked out ZK, Polyhydra Network? I've heard about it, Eric, but fill us in. Jasmy announced partnership with Panasonic. Is that the new news? Did that just come out? We just highlighted Jasmy at the top here, too. Love what Jasmy's doing. Yep, that's big. Big partnership with IoT giant Panasonic. So we knew it was going to be somebody with IoT is announced. Junction is well and truly underway. 1 billion tokens have been locked up. AI engine being developed. It's getting bullish for Jasmy, guys. It's getting bullish. I love it. I'm glad we bought it where we did. Glad we bought it at the 13 level there, because we are basically doubled up almost now once it gets back to the 2.6. So I love it. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Loving it. Loving it. But guys, make sure you do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you guys are brand new, let me know in the chat that you're brand new. And why the hell haven't you subscribed yet? It's totally free. Smash the like button. Find the 3 little dots. We should have 100 likes at least, because we got to keep it rolling. We've got more cryptos to take a look at. All right, so CB Swap, or CSwap, Chain Swap. This is built on Chainlink's protocol. We talked about this one a while back when they first launched. They're kind of hanging in the balance right now. If you're looking for a utility play with upside, Chain Swap is very interesting. They're at a $16 million market cap now. It says here, shaping the future of crypto transactions with Chain Swap, cross-chain swap, and privacy solutions built upon cutting-edge CCTP and CCIP tech. That's utilizing Chainlink's technology there. Could be an interesting play for you. That's Chain Swap. We did partner up with them, do a video with them a little while back, about 10, 12, 14 days ago, something like that. Oh, we skipped over Brett. How could we? How could we skip over Brett? Our beloved meme coin on base, getting ready to hit 5 freaking cents, up 28% today. Brett is trying to reclaim right now a $500 million market cap, folks. It is halfway to $1 billion. The base chain is absolutely sending right now. The base chain is absolutely sending right now. It is absolutely huge what's happening. And I feel like it's just beginning. I feel like every day more and more people are figuring out how to bridge over to base. They're understanding that the fees are unbelievable, the speed of transactions are unbelievable, and that the base chain is for real. Now, MetaMask has made a new update. You can literally bridge right in MetaMask now. They're making it super, super easy. So you don't even have to go and bridge. You don't even have to leave the platform now. It's super easy, and I think that's why Brett is picking up steam. And as we're talking here, Brett is flying past $500 million market cap as we're talking. Absolutely love this one. We've been in here since 120 mil. Okay, we didn't get in when it was 20 or 30, but you know what? We got into Pepe at 100 mil. We got into Bonk at 100 mil, and they both went to billions of dollars. And I think I'm looking to go 3 for 3 at getting in at 100 mil, and they go to $1 billion. Because you know what? I will take a 10 to 15x all damn day. Okay? All damn day. So Brett's flying. Absolutely love it. There's another token that I got into, and I'm a little bit down on it, but it's you can see here, it's actually making a little bit of reversal. You might find this interesting. So it launched back in 2023. It's hitting kind of a bottom and reversing right now. It's called Kazuna. And the reason why I got in, it's on Ethereum, Kazuna. Market cap is 20 million. And you guys can see, I mean, we were up here, no, we were 3x that. So we were at 60 million at the all-time high. But it's 20 million right now. We got up to 60. And the reason why I got into Kazuna was if you go to the view contract button here and go to holders, the #1 holder is the Shiba Inu deployer wallet. That's from the Shiba Inu coin team. They own 50%. Now that's just interesting to me, and it sparked my interest enough to, you know what, I'm gonna buy a little bit. So I bought some on this dip. I didn't catch it all the way at the bottom, but I bought it somewhere down right in here. And I'm actually pretty pumped about this, just to, you know, it's a degen play, obviously. But I like to find these little interesting narratives that are kind of underground. You know, I kind of found that with Kendu as well. Had that Shiba Inu connection as well, okay? And Kendu still only at under a $10 million market cap. Shaitoshi was following their page. So this is some free alpha for you guys. Just free game. I'm just giving you guys free game. I don't even make any money on our ad revenue on these damn short live streams. But I don't care because I'm not here to make money. I'm here to rock with you guys and make money together in our trades. So hell yeah. Those are 2 alpha plays for you. Another one we look at, obviously, is Myro. And Myro's been making a nice reversal as well. And Myro is another one on Solana. that has a chance to hit that $1 billion market cap, that coveted 1 billion. We're just shy of 300 million right now, making a nice reversal here for Myro. Okay. This is an OG. It's been around for a while. It's looking like it's getting ready for maybe another leg up. Myro on Sol. Obviously, a lot of people have heard about this already. This is one I've been watching for a little while. Byte. We got anybody from the Byte community? Byte community on Ethereum, 35 mil. Good volume. You know, it didn't look good there for a minute. Now it's picking back up. You know, I might even enter a move, maybe enter a trade here. You never, if you can avoid it, you never want to buy up here at any point on a chart, right? But this is a healthy chart. They've been around since December, looking to make a little comeback here. This could be interesting. And this is Byte, B-Y-T-E. Again, make sure you guys are finding the correct cryptos. There probably are a lot of different ones that are like this. You know, people make rips. ZKML has been really solid for me. This is not a meme coin. We worked with these guys. I think when we made our video, it was like a $6-7 million market cap. Now it's 50. Now it's a 50 mil. That's what's going on right now. So we invested in this and actually profited on this, you know, twice already. So that's really solid. This is built on the XRP ledger, by the way, ZKML. If you click their page right here, they're focused on privacy and security in the context of CBDC transactions. Some people would say, Zach, that's crazy. I hate CBDCs. I'm not investing in any of that. I don't agree with that. Well, put your nonsense to the side and make some damn money, okay? Because I don't like CBDCs either, but you know what? The reality is it's happening all across the globe, and I hope it doesn't happen in the United States, but you know what? I can't control that. What I can control is understanding that this narrative is big right now, the technology is needed, and these guys are building it for nations who are injecting CBDCs. And you know what? I can make money on it on the free market in crypto, and that's what we've done with ZKML. I'm so tired of people whining, Zach, that's so stupid. I'm not going to invest in that because I don't agree with that. Well, then you don't like to make money, okay? Point blank, period. So many people need to get out of their own damn way in this space. And, you know, a lot of those people in the last bull run, I'm too good for meme coins. You know, I'm too good for meme coins. I only invest in utility. Well, I think a lot of those same people who said, I'm too good for meme coins, guess what they're doing this bull run? They're investing in damn meme coins. They finally had a chance to swallow their pride and realize, hey, there's a lot of money to be made here. As long as I go about this with a strategic plan, that I don't go in here thinking it's going to be the next, you know, Bitcoin or whatever, there's a lot of money to be made here, guys, when you speculate on various projects. And that's what we did with ZKML. We were happy to sponsor with them. And yeah, this project's looking great. Sitting at a $50 million market cap. Chart's looking very healthy as well. The OG Pepe, $3.4 billion. Pepe chart looking phenomenal. Little bull flag forming again. Pepe's got $41 million in liquidity. How epic has Pepe's run been? I absolutely love it. I think it's great for the space. Hell yeah, absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Been following this small cap. I have not invested. It's called Trade Bionic. It's only 380K. Been following it. I'm not invested in it, but just tracking it for those of you who are interested in that. Grok AI. This has been a good reversal for Grok, guys. Look at this. We're making some moves. I'm still holding my Grok position. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Still holding my position nice here. This is a great meme coin, obviously, that has been really, really solid. So, Charles with a $10 donation. Thank you, Charles. He says, Zach, you have $2 billion laying around for the SEC. XRP about to go parabolic. Yeah, how about that? We put that video out yesterday. SEC looking for $2 billion from Ripple. What do you think is going to happen there, guys? Do you think they're just going to pay it? You think they're just going to pay it, or do you think they're going to fight it? If you guys haven't seen that video on my channel, definitely go check it out. It's got almost 20,000 views. Great breakdown of what we're watching for today. We'll be keeping you up to speed on that. But definitely go check out that video on the channel. Very, very important topic. And even if you don't hold XRP, if you don't care about Ripple, you don't care about their lawsuit, you should, because it has an impact. It has an impact on the entire market and the entire altcoin space. So I would say, even if you don't hold XRP, I would say you want to be in the know on what's going on there, because it does matter. We are all impacted by what happens with XRP. So we cover XRP heavily here on this channel. We cover virtually anything and everything we can, whether it's XRP, Cardano, SHIB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, big BlackRock news. We've got you covered. So make sure you do subscribe to this channel. You will not be disappointed. We are consistent. We're here every single day. We're grinding for you. We're working for you, etc. So you know what you're getting when you subscribe to this channel. Consistent coverage on the hottest topics in crypto right here every single day. Now we're going to dive back in. There's still a ton of different cryptos we got to get to. All I want to ask, though, real quick, who's feeling good right now? Who's feeling good on a Tuesday? Who has a plan to become a crypto millionaire in this bull run? Let me know. Let me know. Are you planning on becoming a crypto millionaire? Are you already a crypto millionaire? I hope you have those plans, because we're in the right place at the right time, folks. And this is what it's all about. This is what it's all about. So we've got a lot of other cryptos to take a look at. How about Artemis AI on a little bit reversal here? One of my favorite AI small caps, Artemis, just under 6 million here. We did talk about these guys. They were a sponsor on the channel. They got into the NVIDIA Inception program, made a video on these guys. We'll find that down here somewhere. This video right here. Small cap AI crypto joins NVIDIA Inception program, Artemis AI. I like these guys. I like what they're building here. Chart looks good. A little bit of a pullback yesterday and the day before, and now we're trying to build back up. So that's good. We're up about 16% here on the day, just under $6 million market cap. Volume picking up a little bit, so that's good to see. Okay, I'm a crypto thousandaire. I love it. Aerodome and Ondo. Yep, two big ones right now. Ondo's looking really good in RWA, huh? We've got another super chat from Mr. Vamp. Mr. Vamp, thank you so much for the donation to the channel. Appreciate you, sir. Thanks for all your support to us in your community and the time you spend to inform us and make fantastic videos. Mr. Vamp, thank you, man. Thank you for being here. Couldn't do it without you. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys greatly. And hell yeah, let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. The OG Shiba Inu, the OG, sitting at an $18.25 billion market cap. My, oh my. My, oh my. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. And that volume's got to be off. That's got to be 1.5 billion, right? Got to be. Got to be. There's no way it's only 1.5 million volume. No way. But SHIB, here's what we're working with right now. We had the parabolic move up, okay? We had the sell-off, and now the slow staircase back up, looking to make a little bit of a reversal. Hey, I like it. I like it. I like what we're seeing with SHIB. Got back into the threes. Depending on where you're at with your position, I'm not looking to take profits here yet. I'm going to be looking to take profits, later on in this bull run with SHIB. Hopefully we set all-time highs, we crush it, we go well past it, and, we can make some really big moves. Get to that $100 billion market cap. That would be beautiful. That would be beautiful. ACH go to the moon. ACH is a crypto I like. I hold it. We talked about it way back in the day in 2021. Haven't looked at ACH in a while. Let's look at Alchemy Pay. Let's see what they're doing here. Yeah, they're up to 4.5 cents. I like it. Hell yeah, I do like it. And they're still well below their all-time high when they got way up here to like 16 cents. Alchemy Pay, I still think is a sleeper, 345 million. I like it. I like it. I like Alchemy Pay quite a bit. We had John Tan on the channel multiple times. ACH, Alchemy Pay. But SHIB, in a league of its own. You guys know the drill, man. This thing is on a different level, whole different playing field. It's been just an epic ride from dating back to 2021. Who here was in SHIB in 2021? I'm curious. I always love hearing from you guys on that. What is your first crypto you invested in? Curious to hear your guys' thoughts. Dogecoin, we just talked about this on Twitter. I opened up a Dogecoin position pretty recently, actually. I like Dogecoin for this run to make a 5-6x gain, maybe even a 10x. I like it. I still love Dogecoin. Any momentum in Spell token? I own a little bit, the shakeup. I haven't looked at that chart in a while, but I do own a little bit of Spell. What do you think of Doge? I don't own any Doge. Any thoughts on Neon? Don't own any of that, Michael. Bitcoin was your first one, Jonathan. Nice. Shib since 2021. Nice. Doge was my first one in early 2021. Doge was my first one. And then it was Shib in like March of 2021. Brett was your first one, Jimmy John. Okay, so you're new to the space, man. Welcome. Well, Brett's been a good one. Make sure you have a profit-taking plan, brother. ETH at 500. Crypto Bag Boy BNB was my first. Nice. Dogecoin was my first. Catcoin is the next SHIB. Okay. Mine was RVN coin, Jacob said. Brett to 40 billion base is going to be fucking huge. Hey, I'm with you, bro. I am with you. I think base is going to be freaking massive, too. And Brett is moving, by the way. Brett's over to oh, look at Brett. Look at Brett, guys. New all-time highs set for Brett. Let's go, baby. We started talking about this at 120 mil. We got a new super chat. Morning, congratulations on your new home. Is it too late to buy into Phantom? Junior, thank you very, very much for the $5 donation. It does mean a lot to me, guys. You don't have to give a super chat, but when you do, I do greatly appreciate it for the time that I put into this. It does mean a lot that you're just here. And it's totally free to take in all this alpha and news and knowledge and take it back and help it in your investment strategy. But Junior, no, I do not think you're too late to Phantom. Phantom had a great run in 2021, starting to pick back up a little bit, still well off its all-time high. If you like what you see in Phantom, you've done your homework, I think it should rise with all of the other ships and certainly has a chance to set new all-time highs. If we take a look at Phantom, and that's FANTOM, it's ranked in the top 50, so you're getting into a pretty large cap. Number 46, it's on a bounce back, but it's nowhere near its all-time high yet. It's still 68% off of its all-time high, which was set at $3.48. We're still at $1.11 right now. No, I think it could be a long-term play for you in this cycle that could do extremely well and definitely get up there and make a run here. At least a 4 or 5x, I think, should be a conservative bet when you consider that all I always forget this saying, all ships should rise together or whatever, all tides rising ships, all ships rising tides, or whatever the hell the saying is. You guys know what I'm talking about. But Junior, thank you again, man. Appreciate your support. And that goes for everybody out there. ICP is up today too. I saw that. ICP making some moves. Pika, yeah, Pika had a good launch. Where are they on the chart? Let's see. Pika, let's see. Pika Moon is a big gaming play that has been making some noise. A lot of people were on it. We'll have to wait and see kind of what happens on the open market with Pika Moon. But, man, they had a ton of people. We covered it here on the channel. Their game actually looks pretty legit. So we'll see kind of once we get rolling here, give it a couple weeks and see what happens with Pika. ATAI is going to be a moneymaker. Yeah, I mean, I like ATAI. We just talked about ATAI. That's Artemis. Yeah. Too late to get into Brett. It depends on what your goals are. I mean, we were shouting from the mountaintops on Brett when at $120 million market cap. And then when it just dipped down to 240 million, 220 million, I said, this is your last chance. This could be your last chance. But here's the thing, Tech. If you're getting in at a 517 million, what's your goal here? I mean, you're looking to double up, get to $1 billion. I mean, could it go over $1 billion? Certainly. Could it make a run to 2 billion, 3 billion? Maybe. But I think it's interesting that more and more people are finding out about Brett. And this is going to be the biggest meme coin on base. And the base chain is hot right now. So if you look at it that way, think about it this way. We've had a couple meme coins get to $1 billion on some other chains. Corgi AI, got over $1 billion. We've seen Solana now have what? Bonk. We've seen Whiff and Bonk both get to $1 billion market cap plus, right? So, I mean, and Pepe obviously doing its thing. So if this narrative continues to play out, like, could I see Brett getting to a $2-3 billion market cap? I could. I can't guarantee that that's going to happen. So when you say, is it too late? I mean, it's totally up to you, Tech, but, you know, you have to kind of play out and have conviction. Have conviction in where you think this is going. I will say on these alternative chains, we've seen some big numbers happen on Solana. And if Brett gets to 40 billion, how many X's is that from here? I mean, if it gets to 40 billion, I mean, 50 billion would be what, 100X at 500 million? I don't know. I mean, don't do math while you're live with, you know, somebody else could do the math. I'm busy. It's tough to do math in your head. I don't have time to think about it. But I mean, getting to 40 billion, I don't know, man. It's tough. You know, I mean, Shib's at 18 billion right now. Okay. Shib went to 40 billion though. But I mean, hell, you just never know. I mean, right before we got on here, it was less than 500 million and it's moving. Okay. But you got to realize you're also buying right at the top right now. I mean, you know, we bought right in here. We bought right in here on the way up on this little bar right here at 120 million. This is where we got in. And, you know, you just never know. I mean, but I like the narrative that's playing out with Brett right now, for sure. You know, here's a smaller cap one on base, though. You know, this Friends one. Now, this is much smaller cap. Obviously, there's way more risk because it's very, very small. But, like, I'm throwing some darts at these small caps on base because if these ones on base end up being like Solana, then look out. I mean, you want to find these ones that are diamonds in the rough right now that are sitting $1 million or under $1 million, that go to 50 million, that go to 100 million like Brett did. If you can imagine if you found Brett at $1 million or 5 million, right? It's all about being super, super early. So this one, Friends, is interesting. I mean, there's so many ones on base too. If you guys are not yet on base, highly encourage you to get on base because the opportunities here are just endless with cryptos flying on base right now. And it's utilities, it's all different kind. Utility based, meme coins. But yeah, this one, Frenzy is interesting. I like that. So there are some other cryptos I want to go to and give some love to and look into. This is not a meme coin, but oh my gosh, Devour. Oh my gosh, Devour. I mean, it is stupid what we're seeing from DPay, guys. DPay just hit a $74 million market cap. Guys, I can't tell you how many times I made Devour videos in the bear market when Devour was a $2 million market cap, $3 million market cap. If it's your first time here, this is why you can't go and hide in the bear market. That is where the money is made. The money is made in the bear market. So give yourself a pat on the back. If you've been here for a while and you saw DPay when it was a $2 million market cap, look at this damn chart. When we were down in here, nobody wanted to buy this thing. You know, nobody wanted to buy this thing down in here. Look at that chart. That is insane. Devour absolutely crushing it. Crushing it. FTW for the win. This is on a nice little reversal here. They just relaunched, okay? This is the new Apollo for the win. They're getting heavily into gaming. I own this one from way back in January 2022. Still really like this and the upside here for FTW. It's ticker symbol FTW. This is on Ethereum, 3.8 million. This thing went to 150 million last cycle, and I think it could do that again, okay? Don't quote me on it, but I know Matt and I know their team over there and what they're trying to do. And I'm heavily invested in this one. Yes, Coinbase's layer 2 solution. I'm telling you guys, get on Base. It's a lot of fun. Holy shit. Cheers is launching again. This damn meme coin on Solana, Cheers, 2.85 million now. We found this at 600K yesterday. Actually, no, I didn't find it. A viewer found it. That's why you come to these live streams, because a viewer found this thing at 400,000. Boca, remember this one? You said don't ape. Well, look at this. 2.85 million. I should have aped right at 400K. But I looked at it quickly. We still got in at 700K. I don't know if you got into this one, Boca, but I know a lot of people did. We've already won the trade, and now we're just riding the wave. Just riding the wave. So that thing's pumped like crazy. Let's see. That's Frenzy. Bets. We've talked. Okay, these are some of the ones at the top. We talked about all these. Oh, VSG is another layer 2 that has been crushing it. Check out this chart. Not a meme coin, VSG. They were on my Twitter space yesterday. We do those every Monday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. These guys were on my Twitter space. Let them come up and talk about the project. I've been an investor here for a couple weeks. Been helping them with marketing as well. They are crushing it. Absolutely crushing it. Vitalik Smart Gas, sitting at a $10.5 million market cap. So that's great. We just went over DPay. Smart SMRT, Smart Money. Look at this chart. We talked about these guys too. Smart Money, AI play. Talked about them at like 3 million. Boom, 3x time, baby. We're making so many 3 to 5x's on these small cap AI plays, guys. It's insane. And we're not being greedy. That is the key. Don't be greedy. Take your damn profits. At least take your initial and a little bit off the top. Win the trade, because you never know when we're going to get a pullback in this market, guys. You simply never know. And I know a lot of YouTubers won't tell you that. A lot of YouTubers will just tell you, guys, we're going to the frickin' moon. Hell, hold your bags. Hold your bags. Don't sell. We're going to the moon. That's not me. I'm not that YouTuber. Sell when you want to sell. Have a damn plan. Make money. Make your damn bread. And have a plan with the profits you take. So, straight up, guys. I mean, don't be afraid. Okay? Don't be afraid to take profits in any type of market environment. You know, I'll keep this in mind, guys. Anytime there's mass hysteria and you get the sentiment from everybody around you that, oh my God, everybody just thinks the market's going to go up forever and the market can't pull back, it's going up forever, that's usually a great time to take profits. Whenever you hit that mass hysteria, you know, like, oh my gosh, everybody's making stupid money and every meme coin's flying up, you probably should be taking profits at that time. And like I said, early this morning, I woke up, I'm taking profits little by little. I'm dripping out of AI plays, meme coins, ones that I'm up significantly on, I'm taking profits. Yeah, I try not to be too clickbaity, Mr. Vamp, but you know, you got to play the YouTube game a little bit. But if you guys actually, like, when you click on my videos and you actually listen, you can tell that I'm not like a hypey guy. I might make a thumbnail that gets, you know, oh, makes you click on it or whatever. And I don't know, maybe you guys could tell me, you guys are the listeners and viewers, do you think those thumbnails are going out of style? I mean, the problem is if you just do a basic thumbnail, it doesn't get the click-through rate, it doesn't get the views. But I try to just be real with the content and be real with like actually what my plan is and what I'm doing. I'm not going to just tell you to like hold the bag. I'm not going to tell you, oh my God, hold forever, guys. You know, HODL is how you win. It's like, in some cases, yes. Like if you're HODLing Bitcoin for 12 years or Ethereum, yes. But if you're HODLing a meme coin for a year, like that's a long time. You know, certainly things could happen and turn in your favor if it becomes the next Shib or Pepe or Doge, but the likelihood of that happening is not very high. So when you're up 8, 10x, not financial advice, but if it were me, I'm taking profits. I'm slowly dripping. And if that thing continues to go up, I won't sell out completely. I'll win the trade, right? I'll win the trade, get a little bit on top, and then just slowly bleed it out over time hopefully as it's going up. Hopefully as it's going up, we'll slowly bleed it out and we'll just continue to make some really nice gains. That's how this game is played, in my opinion. That's how I'm playing this game. And then I have goals to take those gains that I'm making in, you know, small cap AI or those gains that I'm making in the small cap space, whether it's AI or meme coins, community tokens, whatever, I'm taking those profits and then I'm driving that into my longer term high conviction plays like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, like Caspa, like Cardano, like Stacks, like Chainlink, like Polygon, like Gala, like Shib, like Doge, right? That's the name of the game, in my opinion. You store your wealth from these small caps into less risky plays. And then it doesn't even have to be in crypto. Sometimes I'll liquidate all the way out, and I'll put that money in the stock market, or I'll go buy Apple with it. Or, just recently, I took like $3,000 or $4,000 that I made on some Solana meme coins and went and opened up a position or added to my position in Tesla. Like, that's a great way to store your wealth, because it's not about the money you make, guys. It's about the money you keep. A lot of people make a lot of money, but they aren't wealthy because they haven't figured out a way to store that wealth. Because people can make a lot of money, but if you spend it, then you're basically starting back over again. So when you win big on these trades, how I look at it, how I'm trying to make sense of it. Okay, I just went to the casino in the meme coin market. I made a bunch of money on this meme coin. So I 10x'd. I turned $1,000. For example here, I turned $1,000 into 10,000. How can I make that $10,000 that I just made work for me now, right? After I pay 30, 40% taxes on it, by the way. And by the way, that's what I do. If I put 1,000 and get 10,000 out, good example, right? I'll take 3,500, put it into another account. That's my tax account. So I know my taxes are ready for that, because it's going to be short-term capital gains tax. I'm in the United States, of course. And now I've got what? 6,500. That's my money. That's tax-free, right? I've got 6,500. That's tax-free. How can I reinvest that 6,500, in my opinion, into a less risky asset like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, or even outside of crypto, and have that money work for me now over the next year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, right? I could take that 6,500 and put it into an investment account, buy mutual funds. Like, that's what I'm trying to do. That's how I'm looking at crypto, as a way to generate generational wealth, right? And a lot of people don't see that. They don't do that. And you got to have a plan. You've got to have a plan in place. Now, guys, we're not done going through the charts either. We've got a lot to get to. Make sure you guys smash the like button, find the 3 little dots, hammer the like button. We've been here for over an hour, but you know what? This has been epic. I love it. We're grinding. We're here every single day. If you guys want to be part of it, smash the like button here. Subscribe to this channel. Let's run this thing up. Let's get at least 500 people in here live with us. We should have at least 500 people with us. The free alpha we're dropping alone should get us there. I love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Let's take a look at the charts. WAGMI, $50 million market cap, 51 million really. WAGMI's looking really good. One of my favorite gaming plays, guys. Absolutely love this one. Shout out to WAGMI, great team. PAL AI recently got back up there to a $600 million market cap. PAL in the AI space. We first heard about this and found it at a $5 million market cap. Now it's 580 million. I found this going to ETH Toronto. I've told the story a lot. BOME, B-O-M-E, Book of Meme, still looking really solid. Great volume. Book of Meme. Listen, we bought this, I think, at a really good spot. We bought it at around 700 million. We waited for the big dip. We didn't buy it at 1.8 billion. Okay. We got in there at 700 million. We missed the big run up, obviously, which is fine. But we're in there at 700 million. I think the chart's still looking really solid, ticking up slowly. We're making some moves there. And getting close to $1 billion market cap again and reclaiming it. So things looking solid on that front. We put $1,500 into it at $700 million market cap. So no profits yet. When it reaches a 1.4 billion, which won't even be all-time highs, we'll take our initial out. and then we'll let the rest ride in this cycle and see if Bohm could become that next 10, $15 billion market cap crypto, and we'll ride the wave up with it, and we'll go from there. All right, so what else do we got here? Oh, I got to show you this little AI crypto has been crushing it as well. PMPY. Shout out to these folks. They've been just killing the game. They're doing a ton of burns. PMPY, shout out to their community. They're at a $17.82 million market cap, looking really, really solid. Solid volume. They're building an AI layer 2 blockchain and AI mobile application. So give them a look. Prometheum Prodigy. Been a partner here on the channel for basically a few months now. They launched back in October. We got in during this kind of consolidation phase in February and then partnered up with them. Man, what a time that was too, because bang, we went hello in February and into March here. We went straight up the ladder, which was awesome. It was great to ride the wave with them, and we're still in a good position there. We've got our initial investment out and probably about 15% profits, and now we're riding the wave with a new AI company. This is the name of the game, guys. Once you win the trade, then you ride the wave with these companies, and you hope to see what Devour did, company I've been invested in and waiting on for a while. You look to see, and hopefully they can do what Pal AI did. This is what it's all about, Win the trade, and now you've got a vested interest in these small cap cryptos that have huge potential, that can make some serious noise in this bull cycle. I love this AI sector. I think it's huge, ripe with opportunities. Very excited about a lot of these different cryptos and where we could potentially see them go in this crypto cycle, guys. It's been just a great ride. It's been a great ride. And another one that we're looking at, it's on a pullback today, but it might be an entry if you're interested, is Just the Tip. Just the Tip's at a $5 million market cap. We called this one at 600,000. It's down 12% today. Just the Tip. It's on a pullback, but chart still looks solid, okay? We are pulling back, still higher lows though, okay? We're still seeing higher lows. If this becomes our low, that's not bad at all, right? So Just the Tip is one that I still like. We've profited on this already. Again, we got in at $600,000 market cap, okay? And now it's 5x, or what is that? 600,000, what would that be, to 5 million? Don't do math. Is it a 6x? You guys know it. I suck at math. I suck at math. But I do like this one. We got in at 600K. Yeah, Just the Tip. I know, hilarious, right? It's on Solana, by the way. It's on Solana. It's an 8x. Is it? 600K? Wait, 6 times 7, 6 times 8. Yeah, 8x. You're right. Yeah, we've 8x'd on this already at 600K to 5 mil. You're right. Hell yeah. So that's been great. I like that one. We got into Ape with Hat on Sol too, and it's been bleeding. We only put like $300 in this. We did a video on them too. I don't know if this one's gonna reverse here. The volume's still good though. The volume's still at 1.42 million. Let's hope we get like a parabolic reversal here. I'm not adding to my position or anything. I'm just holding the line here. Still at a $5.82 million market cap. Ape with Hat on Sol's down 9%. Interesting potential play there. Let's see. What else do we got? Quick Intel. We got to give these cats a shout out. Absolutely love this company. That's just a bullish looking chart too. Really, really solid. Look at that chart there. That's the daily on Quick Intel. This is a contract reader, contract scanner using AI technology. Still a relatively small cap, in my opinion, at 7.62 million. We were with these guys when they were less than $1 million. This is another 8 to 10x for us already. Our $1,000 at the peak here was worth like 14K, and I've rode it up with them. I've partnered up with them as well, and was just super excited to work with them from the ground up. I've watched this company really grow from the ground up, and even if you don't buy their coin here, Quick Intel, look at their product, and I think you're going to want to use it. I'm telling you, Quick Intel Security, the hub of crypto AI safety, security information, DYOR, on-chain tools, powered by their token QKNTL. Again, if you don't even want to buy the token, use their product. I mean, it's really, really helpful when you're looking at new cryptos and you can run it through this contract scanner. It's a great tool. So give them a look. Love what they're doing. Let's go back to some of the OGs because Brett pulled back a little bit, guys. Okay, we got up to 517 million. Now we're back to 498 million. A little bit of a pullback, which is healthy. Okay, the Friends token is just it's climbing. It's climbing a little bit. Got to 3 cents here. 1.25 million. Trying to make a little bit of a maybe cup and handle kind of pattern here. The Friends token is brand new on base, 1.25 million. So we'll see what happens with this one. Cheers is the one we got into a couple days ago. This thing's crushing it. Over $3 million market cap. These are some degen plays, guys. So Cheers is on Solana at 3 million. Friends is on base at 1.25 million. These are some small caps I really like. Probably my 2 favorite small caps right now are Friends and Cheers on Sol. So there you go. Probably make a video about that today. Maybe even talk about both of them. 2 micro caps, one on Solana, one on base. Those chains are where it's at right now. That's where it's hot. That's where it's hot right now. Those 2 chains is where it's hot. That's where a lot of people are making a lot of money. A lot of people are making a lot of money on Solana's chain and on base chain right now. So what's up, everybody? What's going on? 124 likes, WTF. I know. It's like people can't find the like button on here. It's crazy talk. I know. Smash that up. But more importantly, subscribe to the channel. If you guys haven't subscribed, and let me know your crypto story. Are you new? Let me know in chat. I want to hear from you. I want to just hang out with you guys. I'm going to be looking at some other things here. I might just hang out with you guys for a few. Slowly getting rich, I love it. Yeah, I love it. There are some other charts we can take a look at and we can kind of break down here. Smash it, please. Yeah. And guys, don't be shy. We're here every single day for you guys and making plays. Bitcoin's pumping, by the way. Bitcoin's pumping. Shib is going off right now, too. Shib's going off. Markets are looking really good. But again, don't get blinded by this fact that there will be pullbacks, even in bull runs, okay? Just make sure you have a plan. You might say, hey, that pullback doesn't matter because my plan is that price target that we haven't reached yet. That's what I want. All I want you to know is you should have a plan in place so when these dips happen, you don't freak out and do something stupid, okay? That's what is key. You won't freak out and get emotional if you have a plan in place, all right? I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to actually, I can probably just bring the phone over there. Hold on, let me see here. I've got crap everywhere. Got crap everywhere in this new place. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. We got to get another cup of coffee. Say hello. Have you looked at Base Baboon? No. What is Base Baboon? Let's bring this up here. There we go. Ooh, the lighting's kind of rough here. Base Baboon. No, I have not looked at Base Baboon. What the heck is Base Baboon? I have not heard about that. Base Baboon, you say? What's the market cap? What's the market cap of Base Baboon? What's our market cap? I'm taking my dad to a hockey game tonight, so that should be fun. He's never been to a professional hockey game, so I'm taking Pops to a hockey game tonight. It's going to be pretty epic. Pretty excited about that, actually. Do stuff with your family. Do stuff with your loved ones. You never know in this world when our time is up, and make sure you guys do fun stuff with your loved ones. Enjoy the time spent with them because it's so easy to get kind of caught up in the world and forget to spend times with the ones that truly matter the most. So make sure you guys do that. That's important. Check on your people in Baltimore if you have them. Yes, definitely. I saw that. That was terrible. That tragedy there, Boca. Terrible what happened there. I love Gala long term, Jerry. Cause at an 18 million, nice. Cause making moves. I know my buddy Oscar was all over Caw, so it's amazing. There's so many different plays right now. There's so many different ways and plays to make money right now. Let me get my coffee. Hold on. Yeah, there's so many different ways to make money right now. Have I seen Poncho? Well, Gala 10X, I think it certainly has a good chance to in this run. I like Gala, Beam, and Mira are my top gaming plays. But another launch is happening today. I'm going to be looking at it on the open market. I didn't get into the pre-sale, but it's called Gaimin, Gaimin. I'm going to look at it. I don't know if I'm going to invest in it yet, but Gaimin looks to be a new platform. A lot of hype around it. Big pre-sale. I didn't get into the pre-sale. I kind of want to watch what happens in the pre-sale. Let maybe the pre-sale investors on Gaimin kind of sell off a little bit, and then maybe dive in. Yeah, Unique knows Gaimin. Yeah, it's launched today. We can take a look at it. Do you know if it launched? Has Gaimin launched yet? Does anybody know what time the Gaimin launch is? We could probably find out. Here, let's go back over to the desk. We've got the candle burning here. Kind of a rainy day where I am, but yeah, you know, there's no rainy days in crypto. No time for that. There's just it's a two cup of coffee kind of morning, by the way. All right, we'll bring this back down. There we go. All right, let's take a look at this Gaimin play, because this could be interesting. Node AI, I've heard about that. Let me see this Gaimin. I want to look into this Gaimin. Gaimin. So TGE is today. So here's the thing. There will be a lot of private investors who will get some of their tokens at TGE, and a lot of them look to sell and get their initial investment out. Now, listen, the reason I know this is because I have these same opportunities. I'm privately invested in about 20 companies. I've privately invested in about 20 companies this year already. And these are legitimate companies. These aren't meme coins. This is like VC style investing. So I've had this opportunity, and I've finally met people in these circles where, you know, it's become an investment strategy for me. I can show you which ones I'm into. I'll show you I'll give you guys the free alpha. I'll show you which ones I'm in. And one of them, which went last year, was called Tenet, T-E-N-E-T. It's been amazing for me. So how it works is I put $2,000 in there. And the terms and conditions for me on that was I get 10% at TGE or launch of my tokens. And then there's a 90-day cliff, meaning there's 3 months where I don't get any of my allocation that I put money into the private round. You know, when you see all these cryptos, like they raised 7 million through VC funding, this is that. And I've actually, like little old me, stupid YouTuber, I've actually had the chance to be a VC and style investor. It's actually freaking cool as hell. It's super exciting. It's amazing, actually. How it works is, so I got 10% of my tokens at TGE. That 10% of my tokens at Tenet at TGE, I was able to liquidate $2,000. It was worth like $2,200. I sold it all, and so I basically got all of my initial investment, and now still 90% of my tokens are owed over the next, how this one worked, 20 months. So over the next 20 months, I get airdropped little bits of tokens, and I'm just stacking a nice position with Tenet, and I've already got my basis back. I've already got my initial basis back right at TGE. That's the goal, and that's what a lot of these private investors do. Now that I'm in the game, I know how the game is played. So with Gaimin, this one that's launching today, that's what's going to happen. So that's why I'm waiting, okay? I'm waiting to see what that initial sell-off. There will be an initial dip, in my opinion. I could be wrong. I mean, but historically speaking, looking at this, I know how this game is played. There will most likely be a dip from the TGE investors, and then I'll look to enter, okay, if I like it. Now, you guys know I love the gaming sector, 100%. Feel free, by the way, to check out all the links. You can become a Patreon member. We talk about all of this stuff privately as well. We get deep into the weeds. We got some great people over there. Feel free to become a Patreon member over there as well. It is linked down below. I've got my XT Algo trading indicator down there. Would love to have you over there with that too. If you're a Patreon member, you basically get 50% off the indicator. So that's the highest, obviously, percentage off. You use the indicator for $15 a month, basically, when you're a Patreon member, rather than 50. So yeah, huge discount if you're a Patreon member. But if you're interested in that, check it out. But let's get into Gaimin here, because I want to see when they launch. And we will come back to some of our small caps here in a minute. Hopefully you guys are subscribing to the channel. I'm giving you guys free game here, okay? And I do appreciate you guys. You guys know that. Couldn't do it without you. I mean, seriously, this space is moving so fast, and we're just trying to take advantage of it as best we can. So 10 a.m. UTC is the listing date and time for Bybit. Oh, Mario Nafal is on this. Breaking countdown for Gaimin delayed. I apologize, but our countdown space for Gaimin will be delayed a bit. Okay, so Mario Nafal is on this one too. Gaimin, Gaimin. Where are they launching? That's what I'm looking for here. Launch countdown. Okay, so they already had their launch countdown. Okay, so centralized exchange trading on Bybit, KuCoin, and Gate will go live today at 10 a.m. UTC. CMC is doing a whole thing on them. I mean, they got some big, powerful people behind this. I'm upset that I didn't get asked to be in this one as a private investor, but we've got a lot of them, and this is what I'm talking about. These private investments, VC style, these tend to be huge, but there is usually that initial little dip. I'm trying to figure out. It looks like it should be already live on Gate, Bybit, and KuCoin. DEX trading is on PancakeSwap for BNB and Radium for Solana. The address are as shown on official CoinMarketCap page. Here it is. Okay, so trading is live, and there's already been a dip. So right now it's at a $17 million market cap. So let's find the contract here on DEX Tools. I'm gonna pull it up here and show you guys what's going on here in a second. We're gonna definitely be following this one today. I'll probably get it. So the BNB contracts here, do they have the Solana contract? Yeah, I'd like to get it on Sol. I'd like to get it personally on Sol. Okay, on Sol, this is it. 76VXJ. Hold on, guys. Yeah, this is it. So on Sol, it's reversing nicely. We're gonna make a play on this. Gaimin token, we're going to make a play on this. This is the Solana chart. So here's what happened. Look at TGE. Look at the private sellers. Now we're building back up. So let's heart this. This could be one that I might have to, this is my phone that I get into these things, by the way. This is Gaimin token on BNB. See, look what's happening. Look what happened at TGE. This is exactly what I was telling you about. But look what's happening now. This is the time, guys, in my opinion. Not financial advice, but this is the time. In my opinion, this is it. This is why you wait. This is hourly candlesticks, by the way. This is why you wait, because up here it was up to 3.6 on a wick. A lot of people chase that, but then TGE investors, they get their basis back. They want to get their money back early and then ride the wave. Once they get their money back early, now they're ready to ride the wave and see what happens. It's not on base as far as I can see here. So it says here, centralized exchange trading on Bybit, KuCoin, and Gate already went live. Trading on PancakeSwap and Radium for Solana. Okay, and here's the Gaimin coin market cap page, sitting at 17 million market cap. Market-wise, let's see. Yeah, it's listed on Bybit, Gate, and KuCoin. So Bybit's getting a lot of the volume. We've been a Bybit affiliate for a while. They're solid. They're a huge exchange. I don't have my Bybit affiliate link down there. I got to do that actually. No, where the heck is my chart? There it is. Yeah, this is reversing nicely here. Gaimin. This could be a big one. Big gaming play. I want to get in on it on the Solana side. So I put both of them in here. GMRX is the ticker on Sol. Yeah, look at that. It's bouncing nicely. Shoot. I'm missing it, guys. I'm missing it. Hold on. We're going to get in here. We're going to get into this. I'll be right back. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but I got to go swap for this. I'm still here, guys. I haven't gone anywhere. I know what to do. Ape, or what? Let's see here. It's moving. All right, hold on, everybody. XT Algo. Oh yeah, you guys are talking about the. Boca said, "Now I'm confused if I should ape." Sorry, guys. I might have been out for a minute there, but I had to go. Make a move. Love it. Hey man, we are crushing it right now with meme tokens. So we're able to make some plays. This is a legitimate gaming platform though, so that's good to see. That's good to see. The Solana. Let's see. I'm looking at the Solana chart versus. Oops, hold on. The BNB chart. I just like Sol because of the fees. BNB chart, let's see. So this new Gaimin launch just happened, guys. So what happens is, if you guys are just checking in, a lot of the people at TGE, they get their private investment. What happens is at TGE, they get a percentage. They probably get 10 or 15% of their tokens. They sold it off, like you can see it right here. They sold it off at TGE, and then this is where I like to come in as a public investor. And we're on this reversal right now. That's the BNB side, okay? That's the BNB side, and then same thing is basically happening. I have too many damn cryptos I'm looking at because there it is. Here's the Solana side. Very similar to what's happening here. There's your sell-off, people at TGE, and now look, it's bouncing back up. So that's what's happening. Okay, this again, being a venture capitalist investor now on a lot of these projects, I've invested in literally upwards to 20 projects now, VC style, and they all have different terms, right? So how it works is myself as a private investor, whoever is the private investor, they put in $2,000 of their own money. Usually it's anywhere from like 1,000 to 5,000 or 5,000 or whatever. And then there's terms and conditions. So they'll get 10% at TGE, which is essentially 10% at launch. Then there'll be a 90-day cliff or a 30-day cliff where like none of their tokens are released for 30 days or whatever. The key is with this VC style investing, the VC style investor, they're trying to get their initial cost basis back at TGE and then ride the wave from there and see if they, obviously then they're playing with house money. So that's what we're seeing on these launches. Anytime you have these big pre-sales where like Mario falls on it and they're huge in macro, keep that in mind. Usually on that first day of launch, you're going to see pump, drop, and then, okay, now that everybody at TGE got their profits, now it's time to make a move. And that's where I look to get in. So this was good. This happened right during on stream. And so we're in there. We're going to see what happens. Hey, we're already up a little bit. There's a 10 sol, two 10 sol buys behind me. Okay. So, and a 6 sol buy. Hell yeah. So we're getting some buys. 27 sell though. 22 buy. I mean, there's volume. There's volume. It's picking up. 3.12 million in volume on Solana with the Gaimin token. I like it. I like it. I like it. So we'll try to make a little play on this. I like it. I'm actually just sending a tweet that we just kind of talked about, like with the, how to kind of play these big launches. What's this baboon token everybody's talking about? What's this baboon token? What's it on? Is it on Sol or what? Or is it on base? Where's it at? Or are you just calling me a baboon? What's up, everybody? Gaimin tokens making some moves. All right, let's go back through one last time. Our small caps, just kind of some of the ones we're watching here today closely. Let's go back through them one more time. Let me take this out of here. Hold on. Hold up. All right, first up, Frenzy. Frenzy on base. Small micro cap. We're watching this 1.26 million Frenzy on base. FRENZ. Nice looking chart forming. This is the hourly. Launched yesterday, I think. No, 2 days ago. It launched 2 days ago. We found this one at like a 600K. Aped in there. Looking pretty solid. We're doubled up right now at current price value. Cheers. We found this one 2 days ago, I believe, too. DiCaprio. Look at this damn thing. 2.89 million now. Market cap. Love it. So these are two we're tracking very closely. Two cryptos under 3 million market cap that we like. We're going to make a video on that. And then large cap that we're just loving because we got in there 120 million, $500 million market cap Brett on base. These three are probably the hottest ones I'm watching right now in the meme coin space. So with that, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much for rocking with us. Yeah, hit the like button, subscribe down below if you haven't already. We may just do another one of these later. I'm going to go on here, make some content, make some videos for you. But guys, if you have yet to subscribe, definitely do that on your way out. Hit the notification bell so you get alerted when we go live too, so you don't miss out because there's so much happening in crypto right now. And please create profit-taking plans. Realize your gains on these small caps. Have plans to reinvest that money to generate generational wealth. And that's our plan, man. That's our goal. That's what we're doing. We're doing it, grinding every single day together. And happy to be here with you guys every single day. Couldn't do it without you, obviously. And yeah, love you guys. Be on the lookout. We got some great content coming your way today. Ton of videos coming out on the channel. Get ready. We'll see you.